How to tie the buntline hitch. So to my right hand side is the working end, going off to the left is the standing end. The first thing I'm going to do is pass the working end around the object to which I am going to tie the buntline hitch to. So my working end is in my right hand, and what I do is I take the working end and I pass it underneath the standing end at that point there. Once I've done that, I then take the working end and pass it over everything so it comes on the right hand side. Having done that, I then take it underneath everything so it comes to the left hand side. Now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to pass it underneath that loop there and down through that right hand piece there. So I'm going to take it underneath that top piece and bring it down through that right hand one there, pass it down through, gently pull up on it to tighten it, and then bring it up to your object and then pull it up nice and tight, and there we have it. Dress smartly, 1 in number buntline hitch.